Welcome to I Want Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the pork cheeks, chickpeas, mushroom paella. The ingredients for this paella are paella rice, chopped tomatoes, bacon, pork cracklings and chickpeas. So let's start making this pork cheeks and bacon paella. First, let's add the bacon. And let's add our pork cracklings. iwantpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. If you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with all your friends. We're gonna start cooking our pork cheeks. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's put into this paella 300 grams of paella rice because we're making 3 portions. Let's mix it up a bit. We're also gonna add 250 grams of chickpeas. As such. At this point, we're gonna add 900 milliliters of pork stock. We've already mixed in the saffron threads into the stock. All right. At the same time, then we bring up our paella burner up to 100%. We're gonna add half an envelope of paella mix. Something like that. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of paprika. Something like that. Bit of salt. At iwantpaella.eu, we have all the equipment that you need to create a fantastic paella. Paella pans, paella burners, stock, rice, etc. So, what are you waiting for? Come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Let's bring back the bacon and the pork rinds. Let's add our mushrooms. let's finish off the pork stock that we have left. Sometimes we can use saffron threads infusion into the paella instead of using it directly. What's the advantage? The advantage is you can use your paella stock, you warm it up a bit, don't boil it, just warm it up and throw the saffron threads into it and then use it in like 20 minutes to make your paella. So that's a nice trick. Okay. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. In here, for instance. That rice is around 50%, so we still have some way to go. In the meantime, let's decrease our paella burner power down to 50%. Something like that. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. That rice is around 65%, so we still have a bit to go. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. In here, for instance. Okay guys, that rice is around 80 to 85%. So we're gonna leave it for 2 more minutes and then we're gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, I'm turning off our paella burner as we speak. We're gonna give it the last shake and then we're gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Alright, pretty nice guys. Okay guys, so we have our fantastic and delicious pork cheeks, bacon, pork rind and mushrooms paella. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, it's time to serve pork cheeks and bacon paella. Some bacon, some mushrooms, some chickpeas, some pork cheeks, pork rinds. There you have it, a proper portion of paella. I hope you enjoyed this paella. This is Jay signing off. See you soon. Thank you very much for watching.